So sit back, relax, and get ready for a night filled with memories, laughter, surprise, and of course, and everybody. And now, the moment for please turn for your attention for the grand entrance as we celebrate a celebration of birthday celebration of Miss Janelle Sanyosa. Let's sing a happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Much in these junctures, we may request the parents to take a photo opportunity para mag-picture na ta. Mag-picture sa muti ang first and debutant together with the family, circle of family. Sige. First, ang circle of family. Sige na, ang mga mama, papa, mga igsugon. Pwede na mo tinitog.